guys, welcome back to the channel, Yorkshire Crafter, and today we have an unbagging. So open everything out of there, and it is my Latch Hook kit, DIY Latch Hook kit, and it is the puppies. Sorry for the glare. It's the pups, and when I have completed this, it will be going under my desk. So let's have a look, see what comes. Wow. Look at those in a minute, but let's open this up. A bit afraid, but yes, it's just the Latch Hook fabric, and you have to follow the pattern. So that's underneath, that's the, I think, the non-slip, but yeah, you do the pattern on the top. So let's have a look. Here we go. Yep, it comes with the pattern. Oh, I see, right. So yes, I don't know if I can actually show you this or not, but there is two different versions. Yeah, one is the pups, the pattern, and then on the other side there is some roses. So yes, I will be doing the pups, but yeah, like I said, I don't want to get myself into trouble, so I won't be showing you the pattern, but like I say, it's the pups that I will be doing. And then the other sheet that comes shows two different patterns again. That's the bear, and then this one, that is all the colours and everything that comes with the pups. So yep, all the different colours in there, everything that you need, and there is also a tool, but it's stuck. And now it's stuck in the pattern. So yep, nice thick but plastic. It says made in China on it, but yeah, it's the Latch Hook tool there, you can see that. But yeah, and like I said, I do have my wooden one that I used for the hobbycraft ones. But yeah, look at these vibrant colours. There's a lovely green, there's the brown, there's reddy, like a rosy red, there's some black, different, excuse me, a different green, there's a darker brown there, there's this pinky pinky colour. Oops, that one doesn't want to stay on, but yeah, there's a pinky colour there, and then there's these off there, rolled up. But yeah, there's some pink and some red. She must need some extra strands. There's a sandy colour, and there's some white. So they're all the different. Got that one as well, different. No, that's the same. That one, that's a lighter brown. So there's three different colour browns, and like the sandy colour, and the pink and the greens. Two different greens. There's like a red and a pink, a white, a black. But yeah, I'm really excited to start this one. The other kits that I did were just to do whatever you wanted with. You could sew them together and make a rug. You could use them as pillows, you know, just the simple yeah, the simple patches is what they called them, I think. But yeah, I am so excited to start this one, and it does show you instructions of how to do the latch. But yeah, thread the piece round, put your hook into the material, put the strands over the latch. Then as you pull it down, the latch closes and you pull it out, and yeah, it faces downwards like that. So you just grab the two tail ends, pull it up. You see that there, the two tails are facing downwards, so you just grab those tails and pull them upwards. But yeah, I am so excited to try this. It's a proper rug kit, so like I say, it will be going under my desk, and yeah, it'll be a sleeping place for Ted, for our little doggy woof woof. And let me just get the oh no, it shows it on the front. 50 by 30 centimeters is the size, so 50 length by 30 centimeters high. So yeah, super excited. And this came quite quick. When we ordered it, I was looking at the dates, and it said delivered between the 19th and the 26th, and it came today. It came today, the 10th. So yeah, really quick shipping, really quick delivery. So yeah, super happy. And yeah, we'll let them know the eBay, that's where the eBay seller, that it has arrived and everything's included and everything as it should be. So yeah, can't wait to start this. So yeah, just really quick video today for you guys. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload a video. And also, just a quick reminder, there is my Amazon wish list in the about section on my YouTube channel, so please go check that out if you would like to support my channel and help me in any way. So yeah, like I said, please give this video a nice big thumbs up, and yeah, so remember guys, in a world where you can be anything, be kind. Bye guys, bye.